Welcome to this brand new CVS pool home in the prestigious gated community of Cobblestone. Built in 2024, this modern residence sits on a half-acre lot with impact glass, crown molding, and soaring 10, 12, and 14-foot ceilings throughout. The light-filled open floor plan features upgraded tile flooring, a designer kitchen with large island, wall oven, and gas range, plus a formal dining room and expansive 31x20 great room, offering 5 bedrooms and 3 baths, including a luxurious master suite with sitting area, Roman tub, and separate shower. This home also includes a private guest suite with cabana bath opening to the pool area. Additional highlights include a fireplace, custom cabinetry, laundry room with tub, and oversized closets. Step outside to a true Florida lifestyle with a large saltwater pool, raised spa, summer kitchen, covered patio, and expansive porch overlooking the newly renovated Cape Club of Palm City Golf Course. Cobblestone offers a serene, guard-gated setting with 24-hour manned security and private guard patrols for peace of mind. While the community is centered around the Cape Club of Palm City, membership is optional, not required to live in Cobblestone. Residents enjoy the beauty of championship golf right outside their doors, and those who choose can access the club's practice facility, dining, and social events. The shared entrance with Stewart West also provides access to a 10-acre equestrian park, private boat ramp into the C-23 canal, and family-friendly amenities including a playground, basketball and soccer fields, baseball diamond, picnic area, and community park. This rare blend of golf, equestrian, and family recreation makes Cobblestone one of Palm City's most desirable communities. All just minutes from top-rated schools, restaurants, shopping, and highways, and Martin County's beautiful beaches.